The DJI Goggles N3. It's the device that shouldn't technically exist, yet it's the only one that can save the FPV world from its own elitism. For years, flying in first-person view was a hobby reserved for the tech-obsessed. The people willing to spend $1,000 on headsets and hundreds of hours soldering circuits. But as we stand in April 2026, DJI has flipped the script. They've released a headset that is cheap, bulky, and ironically more innovative than their flagship models. The Goggles N3 isn't just a budget option. It is a psychological masterstroke designed to turn every casual drone owner in America into an FPV addict. If you've been sitting on the fence, waiting for the right moment to experience the rush of flying like a bird, listen closely. Because the Goggles N3 is the gateway drug you didn't see coming. Let's start with the elephant in the room. The look. When you first see the N3, you'll notice it's big. It's a box goggle, in an era of slimline micro-LEDs. But don't let the size fool you. In the USA, we have a specific problem. We wear glasses. Millions of us. And for years, every FPV headset has made us feel like second-class citizens. You had to buy custom diopter inserts, or you had to squish your frames against your face until your nose went numb. The Goggles N3 fixes this by leaning into its size. It is the first high-end digital headset that is genuinely comfortably ready to wear over your existing glasses. No adjustments, no extra lenses, no hassle. You just put them on and you're in the cockpit. This single design choice has opened the doors for a demographic that the industry ignored for a decade. But why is DJI doing this now? Why release a $229 headset when they have the Goggles 3 and the Integra? Because they realize that the pro market is saturated, but the curious market is infinite. The Goggles N3 is designed to pair perfectly with the DJI Neo and the Avata 2. It's the bridge. It's the device that takes a person who just bought their first tiny drone and gives them a pro perspective for the price of a mid-range smartphone. Under the hood, the specs tell a story of strategic compromise. We aren't looking at OLED here. Instead, we have a massive 3.5-inch LCD panel pushing a full 1080p resolution. Now, purists will tell you that LCD can't match the blacks of an OLED. And they're right. But on a bright afternoon in a California park or a Florida beach, that LCD brightness is a lifesaver. The colors are vibrant, the image is crisp, and at 60 Hz it's buttery smooth. But the real magic isn't in the screen, it's in the transmission. The N3 uses the DJI O4 system. Let that sink in for a second. For $229, you are getting the same ultra-low latency, triple-band stability that ships with drones 5 times its price. We're talking about 31 milliseconds of latency when paired with the Avata 2. That is the difference between feeling like you're watching a video and feeling like you are the drone. In FPV, latency is the enemy of the brain. When you tilt your head or move the joystick, and the image lags even by a fraction of a second, your inner ear rebels. You get motion sick. You lose confidence. By putting the O4 system in a budget headset, DJI has effectively cured FPV nausea for the masses. Let's talk about the one-tap defogging. If you've ever flown in a humid climate, Houston, Miami, or even a rainy day in New York, you know the pain of lens fog.